Hey everyone, Sarah from Earth Spirit Healing Centre. How are you? I'm just sitting down here in the stone circle, right near. There's all hawthorns here, and then there's a fairy mound just here, behind me, in the middle of the hawthorns. So I just thought I'd do some drumming and just see. I don't know if you see anything behind me, or you might see some little coloured lights or some beautiful birds flying over. Looks like magpies. They're all starting to get ready to go to bed, so it's sort of dusk. And this is the time when you will see fairies. Oh, here's a little fairy wren. Hello. Little fairy wren or blue wren. Or it could be a little brush wren. Anyway, he just went in behind there. So I'm just going to do some drumming and just intuitively do whatever comes to me. And it'll be relaxing and healing, even if we don't see anything. But because it's International Fairy Day, I thought I would just do some drumming for the little fairies, just to say hello and thank you and blessings to them. So let's see what happens. You don't know what could happen. So I've got my beautiful boron here, Irish drum, but I'm playing it like a medicine drum at the moment. I quite often do this. Neighbours' dogs are quite noisy. Makes you wonder if they can see something. Maybe they can see the little fairies. It's not a particular day that they're going to come out. It's not like Midsummer Night's Eve or Samhain or Beltane. It's just an acknowledgement day for them. So it's not necessarily a time when they'll appear or anything. But it's just if you show. If you show your acknowledgement and respect to nature and all little creatures, especially beautiful wild areas like we've got behind here and all down here in this little kind of gully that's just next to me, and down near the creek. we just keep those spaces for like little wild areas for nature, for little lizards, for little bugs and butterflies and whatever lives in them, the water rats that are in the creek, and the little water hens that were in the creek. Hopefully they come back after what happened there recently. I won't go into that. There's a lot of noises down here behind me, down near the creek. Don't know if you can hear the sound of the creek running if I just stop talking and drumming and singing. There's just something right here in the tree right here. Not sure if it was a bird or what. There's just a noise and quite a bit of movement just there. It's just beautiful down here. Feels so connected to nature and Mother Earth. I don't know what was in there, but something was right there in that privet bush. I can't see what it was. I'll just show you. I'll show you where I'm talking about if I can. Just turn this up. So it's just up in there. at that massive big gum tree just right above me. So anyway, even if we don't see anything, it's just the connecting with nature and the drumming and everything. I hope it was relaxing for you. Sorry about the dogs barking over in the neighbours there, but and the little spirit. Oh, what was that? Something over there. Anyway, it's just so beautiful out here. You can hear all the birds and the sun going down. So I was just humming one of my songs just because sometimes music can draw. Even little birds can be drawn to the drumming and the singing. But the cats are over there, they're watching me. The little spirit familiars. See if I can show you them. Okay, there's Loki, there's Ostara. I think that's Thor there in the corner. Don't know where Bast is. She's in there. She might be still eating. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, the drumming. Might just do a little bit more drumming to finish off. It's just healing and just drum the sun going down. Well, good night everyone. Listen to that currawong saying good night to the sun. There's all little birds down there where the fairy mound is. I can hear them. It's beautiful, isn't it? See if I can show you a bit more. There's the sun coming down and the trees. I'm starting to get, because it's cold, I'm starting to get the mist when I talk. Beautiful. Well, thanks for spending that time with me, and just hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was relaxing, and some galahs flying over. Says it's not the same as being out here, sitting out here, but I hope it was still enjoyable for you. And I might go up now and have a cup of tea. Have a cup of tea with Ed. So have a great night and magic and blessings. And don't forget to respect and just acknowledge and just enjoy and be grateful for nature and how beautiful it is and how lucky we are that we live in the places that we do live. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a great night, and I will talk to you in the morning with a video. We're still waiting on our Starlink to be fixed, our internet, so I'll have to do record the videos and then post them. Anyway, won't be live, but it should be back live soon. Okay, thanks everyone. Don't forget, you can shop online with me at www.earthspiritnatures.com. You can come out and visit here. You can come out to visit the craft shop. You can come out and just come to any of the events. I have to show you the sunset. Look at that. It's just going all pink. Beautiful through the trees there. So I mean, you can come out and enjoy this beautiful space too if you come to the events out here. The women's full moon circles, the women's dark moon circles, the wheel of the year circles, and the workshops and all sorts of things that we have out here that I hold out here. So just contact me for more details at sarah@earthspiritnatures.com.au, my email address. There's beautiful light coming through. I wonder if I can show you. Just coming through those trees there somewhere. It's not coming up. It's just this tiny little section of light coming through the tree. Oh, I got the wrong tree. No, it's that tree there, I think. Yeah, it's just, it must have gone now. There was like a really bright, hot pinky colour coming through there. But look at that, just beautiful. Just the magic of out here at Earth Spirit Healing Centre and the Magic Craft Shop. See you everyone. Magic and blessings.